Welcome to another edition of Snom TV. I'm Edouard Bietre, Sales Director of Africa for Snom, and today I'm going to run you through the Snom D735, probably my favorite in the lineup. We did a 717 in the previous video. What you're going to have here is a high resolution color display, as well as 8 physical BLF or multifunction keys. What this is going to give you is also 4 screens, so up to 32 multifunction keys. So what you're going to have in the 735 as well is you have your proximity sensor. The function of this is really us listening to the market, especially with the multifunction keys. The function and the menus can look a little bit cluttered. So what this does is this can give you a screensaver function or a nice clean display. And as soon as you come for the phone or reach for the phone or pick up the handset, your menu functions will actually come up. And this gives you a really nice clean look on and feel on the desk, plus the functionality that you expect. What I'm also going to do for you today is the unboxing. I'm going to do the white version. So I've been getting a lot of queries about the white version, a lot of excitement in the market. It's got a really nice look and feel to it, and I want to show you what it looks like in real life. So once you open the box, what you're going to find as normal is your quick installation guide. This gives you a quick run through of how to set up the phone, where all the cables go, and how you get that set up. As we've always mentioned as well, all Snom phones come with a 3-year warranty out of the box, so this is also a really nice advantage into the market. And as you take it out, and I hope I get some wows, I can't hear you through the YouTube, but what you're going to have here is, as you can see, the white look and feel. I think it shows off the silver really well, and the phone just looks great. In the box then, as normal, is your handset. Really high quality German look and feel. What we have is the way it clicks on, really nice weight to it. A lot of customers pick it up, so really get your hands on a demo unit of this and have a feel. It's really, as I said, probably one of my favorites in the range. Your curly cord as normal. Also, another thing, a question that we get quite often is the white phone going to stay white? So we put a lot of research and development into the plastics, into the coloring of this. So the idea is that this should last a very long time. As you know, the quality of a Snom phone, it probably outlives your PABX or your cloud PABX by quite a bit. So what we have here is it should be really white and beautiful, even in tough conditions. So rest assured that you're going to have a beautiful white looking phone for many years. You have your desk stand that gives you 2 options, obviously for a higher and a lower setting, and as normal this just slides into the back of the phone once you get the cable nice and set up. So this slides into the back of the phone, and off you go. You're ready to roll. So here you have your 2 options. So you get the 735 in black and the 735 in white. It's a personal preference. I personally think the white looks great, and it's also going to give you a nice advantage into your, as we say, hospitality and hospital projects above your competitors. So thank you very much today for listening, and please remember to subscribe to our channel. Please mention any comments in the bottom, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thank you so much.